Hey guys, we got 1996 Topps Series 2. Got this from DA Card World. I normally wouldn't cut this, but that plastic was not really gonna open for me. So let's see what we got. It doesn't feel like it's bricked either. So we got Trevor Hoffman, Sean Dunston, Jason Bates, David Bell, Todd Worrell. What's this? Kirk Manwaring, Larry Walker. I think he just got into the Hall of Fame. Mike Musina, Star Power. That's pretty cool. Carl Everett, Cecil Fielder, some prospects. Ray Ordonez, I remember him. Jeff Suppan, Rick Carvita, Jonathan Johnson, nobody that I know there, prospect card, and Bartolo Colon. That's pretty cool. All right, thanks, guys.